Have you ever cast your thoughts into the cosmos, pondering how our solar system came into existence? The story of our solar system's birth is a tale of cosmic proportions, a symphony of stars, dust, and gravity. In the beginning, there was a nebula. Picture a vast, swirling cloud of gas and dust, suspended in the infinite expanse of space. This nebula, composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, was the cradle of our solar system. Yet this nebula was not static. It was dynamic and ever-changing, influenced by the forces of the universe around it. The birth of a star, a supernova explosion, or perhaps the gravitational pull of a nearby galaxy could have triggered an event that set our solar system's creation into motion. This event would have caused a disturbance in the nebula, creating a wave of pressure that swept through the gas and dust. This wave of pressure caused the nebula to collapse in on itself, forming a rotating disk of material with a dense, hot core at the center. This core, under immense pressure and heat, eventually ignited to form a protostar, the precursor to our sun. As the protostar continued to grow, it accumulated more and more mass, drawing in surrounding material with its increasing gravitational pull. Eventually, the pressure and temperature at the heart of the protostar became so intense that nuclear fusion began, marking the birth of our sun. Meanwhile, the rest of the material in the disk was not idle. Grains of dust and ice began to stick together, forming larger and larger clumps. These clumps, or planetesimals, collided and merged, gradually growing into protoplanets. Over millions of years, these protoplanets swept up more and more material, growing into the planets that we know today. The inner planets, including Earth, were formed from heavier rocky materials, while the outer planets, like Jupiter and Saturn, were composed largely of lighter gases and ices. And so from a nebula of gas and dust, our solar system was born. It's a story of cosmic forces of unimaginable scales and time frames, and it's all happening right here in our own cosmic backyard. In summary, the formation of our solar system began with a nebula of gas and dust. A disturbance caused the nebula to collapse, forming a rotating disk with a dense core that ignited to form the sun. The remaining material in the disk coalesced into planetesimals, which grew into the planets we know today. It's a tale of creation, of transformation, and of the incredible power of the universe. Our solar system, once a nebula, now a family of planets orbiting a star, is a testament to the beauty and complexity of the cosmos.